Hey everyone, if your Discord bot is not working, not responding, or commands are broken in 2026, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix Discord bot issues. First, check if the bot is online. If the bot is offline, it will not respond to any commands or actions. Next, restart or reinvite the bot to your server. Sometimes the connection between the bot and server gets broken. Now, check bot permissions. The bot needs access to read messages, send messages, and manage roles depending on its functions. Also check channel permissions. Some channels may block the bot from working properly. Go to the bot dashboard and check settings. Sometimes features like commands or auto moderation are disabled. Make sure you are using the correct command prefix or / commands. Wrong commands will not trigger the bot. Finally, check if the bot service is down or experiencing rate limits. In that case, you just need to wait until it is fixed. So yeah, that's how you fix Discord bot not working in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your bot should start working again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy fixes.